Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill with your 3 add-on kits available to coordinate with your Flavors of the Month kit. So we have a cardstock add-on, a patterned paper, and an embellishment add-on. These will allow your kits to go even further and give you more options to create your projects with. Be sure to check out the Shots of Life kit as well because it coordinates with your Flavors of the Month, so it can give you more patterned paper and more embellishments. Let's take a closer look at each one of these add-ons. Our first add-on we're going to look at is our cardstock, and I left the pattern paper here so you can see how well it coordinates with each one of the collections. You'll receive 3 cardstocks for each one of the 4 collections. So for Echo Park, the Boy Teen Spirit, you're going to receive 1 sheet of mustard and 2 sheets of lava. For the Teen Spirit Girl collection, you're going to get 1 sheet of lollipop and 2 sheets of bubble. And then for our Pink Fresh, Just a Little Lovely, you'll receive 1 sheet of romance and 2 sheets of grape. And then the Simple Stories, Happy Trails, you'll receive 1 sheet of Bayou and 2 sheets of squash. So that's perfect if you like to create your layouts on cardstock, mat your photos, do some digital die cutting. The next add-on we're going to look at is the patterned paper. You'll receive 2 additional pattern papers for each one of the 4 collections. None of these will be repeats for what was in your Flavors of the Month kit, but just 2 additional pattern papers. So if you love more pattern papers or you want to create more projects, then definitely look at adding this on. For the Teen Spirit Boy collection, we have this one, that's the journaling cards. And it has all the different icons found in this collection on the white background, and the back is 4x6 journaling cards as well as 2x2. Next we have this paper called Sneakers, and it has the plaid in the blue and green and that reddish orange, and the back of course is all the high top sneakers on that minty green. For the Teen Spirit Girl collection, we have the journaling cards, which has the cassette tapes on the back. And this side has the 4x6 and 2x2 cut aparts. Then we have the 4x4 journaling cards, which is this cute little unicorn on the purple. And of course, 4x4 cut aparts on the back. These would also make some really cute cards. For Pink Fresh, Just a Little Lovely, we have this gorgeous paper that has the floral wreath and done in the watercolors. So this is perfect just to add a photo and some journaling, maybe tack a little or tuck a little embellishment, 1 or 2 around it, but this paper just makes easy scrapbooking. The back is a beautiful watercolor done in a rainbow going around the page. We have this one called Possibility. Again, it's just watercolor backgrounds. And this side is a gorgeous kind of the purple blue geometric design. So that collection is perfect if you love the mixed media look, but you don't really get into it and don't do it, then they've done it for you. Our next collection is Simple Stories, Happy Trails. It has the cute little trees. And the back is a brown tone-on-tone with boot prints as well as the bear prints and a little deer print. This one called Great Outdoors, and it has a house and a cabin and the long trail as well as a little A-frame house by the lake. And the back is a yellow 2-tone floral design. So one more look at your patterned paper add-on. So lots of options there for you to have your kit go even further. Next we have the embellishment add-on. So for the Echo Park Teen Spirit Girl collection, you'll receive the 12x12 sticker sheet. So we have word labels down here and lots of teen icons. For the Teen Boy collection, you're going to get half a pack of the ephemera pieces. So there's lots of tags and quotes, all done in those bright, fun colors. These would work great on the front of cards as well. One more. So those will vary among the kits, but that's a good sample of what you'll be receiving. For Pink Fresh, Just a Little Lovely, you're going to receive a sheet of the puffy stickers, so these will vary. Lots of beautiful cursive script words and those beautiful flowers on this one. And then for Simple Stories, Happy Trails, you're going to receive the 6x12 chipboard stickers. So we have a little banner with the lanterns, the words that you could use for titles. Love the little bear and the little pop-up camper. So as you can tell, lots of options to embellish your Flavors of the Month kit. One more look at all 3 of your add-ons. Be sure to check out the other videos here linked at the end for other kits available from the Scrap Room. Check out the Scrap Room blog and Facebook page for challenges and inspiration from your design team as well as your fellow subscribers. If you have any questions about any of the kits, be sure to post them down below and we'll get right back to you. If you haven't already subscribed to the YouTube channel, be sure to click that subscribe button and the notification bell if you'd like to be notified when the new videos are revealed. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.